Eighth sum, the important sum. Just we need to going to do trick in this sum. Listen very carefully. To prove ABC are in GP, I need to prove ABC and GP are alpha is a root of ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. What does mean 2bx plus c equal to 0? This alpha I can apply here. A alpha square, if it is a root. If alpha is a root of this equation, what the answer is going to be? A alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals 0. In place of x, I need to apply alpha. So this will become this equation as a root is called alpha. Alpha is one of the root of this equation. I need to apply, in place of x, I need to apply alpha. So I need to find these two pruners. They given like that. So first what I want to do, listen carefully. Here a, b, here a alpha plus b. If this a is multiplied with alpha and this b, that is, I am going to make R3 tends to R3 minus R1 minus R2. I am going to make this one as 0, this one as 0. How I can make it 0? Listen very carefully. If I want to make this one as 0, here A alpha, here only A is present. So I need to apply with, I need to multiply alpha. Here B, no problem. So A alpha plus B, I can make a subtraction, so it become minus. The same here also, B alpha, here B. So I need to multiply the alpha. Here C, no problem. So what I'm going to do is nothing but R3 tends to R3 minus alpha R1 minus alpha R2. So what I'm going to do, listen very carefully. I'm going to change only R3. I'm going to change only R3. There is no change in R1 and R2. So write R1 A, B, A alpha plus B. A alpha plus B is equal to 0. What I have done, listen carefully, this one I am going to put on the side. I am going to make R1 tends to R3. I am change R3, no. So write R2 also. B, C, B alpha plus C. I am going to change R3 alone. R3 tends to R3 minus this R1, A alpha, here only A. So I need to multiply alpha. So R1 should be multiplied with alpha. Alpha R1. R2, B, here B, no problem. So minus R2. So what I done? I have multiplied R1 with alpha and R2 as it is. So first write R3. What is R3? R3 is nothing but A alpha plus B minus alpha R1. That is, this is R1 multiplied alpha, so becomes minus alpha A minus R2 become minus B. So both will be cancelled. B minus B cancelled. Answer is nothing but 0. So obviously we got the answer. Next, this one. R3, right? R3, this one take B alpha plus C minus alpha R1 minus alpha. What is R1? B, right? Minus R2 minus C. So B alpha minus B alpha plus C minus C cancel. Answer is nothing but 0. So this one R3 tends to R3. What is R3 here? 0. 0 minus alpha R1. So minus A alpha minus beta. Minus A alpha minus beta. Next minus R2 minus B alpha minus C. You can able to listen, I think so. That is minus alpha into, oh, I have forgot alpha. So it becomes minus alpha square, that is minus B alpha. I write once again here, no problem. R3 is 0, 0 minus alpha into R1. Alpha into R1 becomes A alpha square. This is minus, no. So this plus will become minus. Alpha B. That is multiply R1 with minus alpha. Therefore, A alpha square B alpha. So because of minus becomes minus A alpha square minus B alpha. Next minus R2. Minus R means minus B alpha minus C. Minus R2 means minus B alpha minus C. So check it carefully. What is present here? Here minus, here minus, here minus, minus. So totally I can take minus outside. Before taking minus outside, I can write as minus A alpha square minus alpha B becomes minus 2B alpha. That is B alpha minus B alpha becomes minus 2B alpha minus C. This one I can write as take minus outside, minus outside. Write A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C is equal to 0. So I am going to expand in R3. This is becomes plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So I am going to expand R3. So this row this column will move. So first I need to write this one. I don't need to expand 0 and 0 because it's going to become 0. 0 into bracket 0, 0 into bracket 0, plus into minus, minus, like this one. A alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c, open the bracket, center, minus, no. A into c is ac, b into b is b square is equal to 0. So now equate to 0. This one can be equal to 0, this can be equal to 0. How can be equal to 0? First take this one. Minus a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Minus we can neglect. So a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So we have got a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals 0. Therefore we can say alpha is a root of, alpha is a root of, this alpha square again is a x square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. One condition is I have proved. Second condition is AC minus b square is equal to 0. AC minus b square is equal to 0. If minus b square becomes plus b square, therefore b square is equal to AC. Any one this condition comes means it's going to be a GP only. Now listen carefully. If A, B, C is GP, if A, B is GP, what is the formula? T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. This is T1, T2, T3. B by A is equal to C by B. Cross multiply B into B, B square. Cross multiply A into C is AC. We have got B square is equal to AC. We have got. Therefore, is a condition for GP. Is a condition for GP. Therefore, A, B, C are in GP. So we have proved. Hence proved.